Discover expert tips to elevate your space with innovative wall molding design ideas. 1. Define your style. Wall molding can complement any design style, from classic to contemporary. Consider the overall aesthetic you want to achieve before selecting a design. 2. Think beyond traditional. While traditional crown and baseboard moldings are timeless, don't be afraid to explore more unconventional designs like geometric patterns or asymmetrical arrangements for a modern twist. 3. Scale matters. Pay attention to the scale of your room and the proportions of the moldings. Large rooms can accommodate wider and more elaborate moldings, while smaller spaces may benefit from narrower profiles to avoid overwhelming the space. 4. Consistency is key. Maintain consistency in your molding design throughout the space for a cohesive look. This includes consistent height, style, and spacing between moldings. 5. Experiment with color. Moldings don't have to be white. Consider painting them in a contrasting color to make a bold statement, or matching them to the wall color for a seamless integration. 6. Layer moldings for depth. Layering different types of moldings can add visual interest and depth to your walls. Try combining crown molding with chair rails or picture frame molding for a custom look. 7. Highlight architectural features. Use moldings to accentuate architectural features like arches, columns, or alcoves. This can draw attention to these elements and enhance the overall character of the space. 8. Create focal points. Install decorative moldings around focal points such as fireplaces, windows, or built-in shelving to frame them and make them stand out. 9. Don't forget about texture. Consider incorporating textured moldings like beadboard or panel molding to add tactile interest to your walls. 10. DIY versus professional installation. While some molding projects can be DIY-friendly, complex designs or large-scale installations may require professional expertise to ensure a flawless finish.